In this video, I'm going to show you a few options for renaming your database tabs, such as these ones. So the first thing we want to do to bring up our renaming options is click on the name of the tab and then click rename. So that opens our editing dialog box here where we can type in the name we want to appear on that tab. So obviously right now, this one is named type. So that's what's in the dialog box here. So if I could rename that anything I want, so if I wanted to rename it workout, you can see it's changed to workout. Anything you like can be entered here. So if you wanted to actually keep your database tabs nice and clean, you can leave this empty. So it's just the icon that appears here. You don't need to use words. But the problem is, if you just delete whatever you've typed here as your name for the tab, and I press enter, it's going to automatically enter the database view. So this is a board view, so it's just renamed it board for me, even though I didn't put board in here and I didn't want to name it board. So there's still going to be some words there. So to leave it blank, you just open the dialog box here for renaming and just press the space bar once. Oops, just space bar. And then press enter. And now you can see there's no words, no board, nothing, just the icon. So this can be a nice way to just keep things clean. If I do that here on the second one, just to demonstrate, I'll just press again the space bar to leave an empty space so it thinks there's something in there, and then it will just show the icon. So then we can, of course, change the icon. So that's another, it's a handy way to name the tabs in a visual way. So if we open again the renaming dialog box here, we've got our space, so it's just empty of words and text. And we click on the little icon here on the left, we have our choice of icons. So we can search by keywords. So I'm just going to search like workout. So say I wanted like dumbbells there. And then this one, this is a board organized by how long a workout is. So it might make sense here to use like a clock icon. Let me pull that up. Yeah, I'll do this. So then you can keep doing that. So then it's with all the tabs, and it's a nice, clean visual layout, and you still have an idea of what each tab is about because the icon is speaking to the data contained within the tab. So that's a nice, easy way to keep your database tabs nice and clean.